we have breaks. So in the beginner structure here, we have breakout structure happening. We also have breakout structure here happening. We also have breaks of structure here happening. Okay, all right. So you are seeing it. It is happening. Breaks of structure is happening here. Now also here we are seeing also breaks. Okay, breaks of structure. So that's the thing. Where did the break of structure happen? So the break of structure, it in an uptrend, it happens when it is forming a higher high. In the downtrend, it happens when it is forming a lower low. Because here in the downtrend, we have to see the lowest low. So this is lower, this is lower low. We could see lower low here. Let me change even the color to white. Okay, this is lower low here. We could also see it here, lower low. So you guys, you're seeing it simple as this. So this is also lower low. So this is the kind of the thing now. Okay, this is how things are. Then you have to ask yourself, how do this thing really work? Okay guys, so people are joining. Yes, Alan, thank you for joining. So we could have a look on what is the difference between beginner market structure and advanced. So for a beginner, this is now a downtrend market. If you're seeing it, it looks very easy, but the reality, it doesn't work. Then we shall see what do advanced traders use in the market and which type of market structure do they see in the market. So beginner traders, when they are trading, they only look on this kind of market structure, and that's why they will lose money. If they are in a uptrend market, they are going to, for beginners, they are going to always buy here. Buy. The market is retracing, they will buy like this. Why are these things not going to work? We shall see in the trading test now why these things don't work. So all these points here, these points, all of them, they are invalid points. Okay, these are invalid points here. These points around here, this point, we shall see that these points are just invalid. They don't work. They work with other confluences in the market. So the market has a lot of things to start about. So as I always tell you guys, you could have to understand a lot of things in the market. So at this point here is going to be is invalid. Why? We shall say confluence in the advanced. So this is invalid. So here we are only seeing breaks of structure to the upside. We are only seeing around here break of structure to the upside. Here, this is an uptrend. So its break of structure is just like that. For a downtrend, we are seeing that the break of structure is just happening down here. Okay, the break of structure in an uptrend happens when a new lower low is going to be formed. You could also see it here. And guys, market structure is the core for every for every profitable trader, and is the core for every professional trader, because you can't make money without understanding. So this is the beginning point for every trader. So when every trader comes in the market, this is what is being told to study. Okay, let's see, where do we apply all these things? So that's a beginner side. So we are saying that how do advanced traders trade this market? Okay guys, so we are going to see it. How do they trade this market? Now we are saying that for advanced trading, because there's a difference between a beginner trader. So the difference between a beginner trader and advanced trader, as I always tell my students, is excess knowledge, excess skills, excess capital. So that's the difference there between a beginner and an advanced. So that's the major difference in trading. So trading and investing, they are opposite to each other, but at some point they are same, because for investing we are focusing on long term, and for trading we are focusing on short term gain. So that's the difference between trading and investing. So we are going to look at advanced market structure. We are advanced. So you are there struggling in the market. You even don't know why you are losing money. Of course, every day people lose money because of many mistakes, because the market punishes every mistake. You should know that it will punish your mistakes day by day. So the market punishes every trader's mistake. So we shall see. Now let's have a look on this advanced market structure. How do advanced traders trade? So that's the first point. Now, all right. So we have been studying all the things in the private mentorship with my students. Now I had to come on live to also do it with my followers because I want all of us to win. Okay. It's a win-win strategy. Okay, guys. Now let's look at the advanced traders. How do they really see the market structure and where are their higher highs? Okay, let's begin in the market. Let's dive in the market now. Let's begin with an uptrend. So we are going to see the market at some point, for example, began here. Now we shall see market coming. So this market is still moving. Still moving. All right. Now here, the market again drops. Okay. So there is a reason why advanced traders make money. Beginners don't make. So you are losing money because you lack even knowledge. So you have to get the right mentor. Then you have to get the right knowledge. So if you get the right mentor, you are going to get the right knowledge. So this is the thing. You are losing money because you are a beginner in the market. Yeah, of course, even professional traders lose money, but they will always recover it. So we are seeing this market. So this is an advanced market. So guys, you are seeing this market. So this is an advanced market, guys. So there is a difference between an advanced market and this is now a beginner's market. This is a beginner's market and this is an advanced market. All right. So if you know the difference, then you are going to tell me the difference. Okay, I'm going to invite one person here. We discuss. This is FE Trade Capital. If you know the difference, let me invite you. Why are those markets different? So you can tell us if you have an idea. Why are the markets different? The markets have grown there. Why are they different? So we are going to see that maybe in a beginner's market, even gamblers can make money in trading. Okay, we are seeing this. Even maybe this guy. Let me first see whether it's online here. Okay, so I've only invited one person. Okay, so in a beginner market structure, even gamblers make money. Why do gamblers make money in trading? And that's why most people say trading is gambling, because even someone who has just come in trading, he can make money within 2 days, he can make money within 1 month, and that person is going to be called a profitable trader. But within the long run, then you are going to understand that if the person who made money in this market can't make money in this kind of market, he can't because he is not seeing this kind of structure, because this is now a zigzag pattern, and we shall also see that maybe at some point, why is this one a zigzag pattern? So you are saying that even prices can retrace down here, down, okay, and begin again to rise. Okay, so this is an advanced market structures. So we are seeing now here, where is my higher high and where is my higher low. So this is the most important thing now. So this is what your mentor failed to tell you, because Maybe he knows the reason, yes, but if you understand the real things in trading, then you are going to make money like your mentor. The reason why many students are not making money in trading like their mentors is because maybe the things they are being taught maybe are a few. Okay, yeah. So then you have to ask yourself, how do you know? So then you have to see that here in advanced structure we are seeing a break of structure here. This is a break. This is a break of structure. This is an advanced now, because as I told you guys in my private mentorship, I have both advanced traders and intermediate and beginner traders. So whatever we teach is not the same as, so in advanced we shall also study about also these things, and we are going to see what are the different kinds of entries in the market. Okay, in the market. So a lot of people online here, they say that they trade, but if you tell them to explain what they trade, few will explain it. As I always talk about it, that the market, anyone can make money in the market. Let's take a point. If you go to fishing, even the lake, a beginner can catch more fish in the lake even than the experienced fisherman. It's very possible. But in the long run, if you're a beginner trader, then you have to get the right trading strategy and the trading tools. You don't have the tool, you don't have a strong trading system, you don't have a trading journal, you don't have a powerful system. Now, how will you make money? No matter how much capital you have, you're going to lose it. So that's the thing. You are going to lose it. So this is how it is now. This is an advanced market structure, how it is looking out. All right. So you could see it. So guys, you could see it. How is it? So you want to continue with trading, then you want to improve on your trading style, then you want to trade like hedge fund managers, you want to trade like institutional traders, then you are highly invited in the trading world. Then let's have a look on this point now. We are seeing an advanced. So this is an advanced market structure. So we are going to see here all these points here. This is just we are seeing some sorts of liquidity here. So this is just liquidity there. We are seeing some trend line liquidities occurring around those points. So at some point, we are going to see that at this point, the market left some bit of fair value gaps. Maybe the market had to come back after a break of structure. Now, why can I tell you that for beginner market structure, here gamblers make money and beginners? Because they buy low and they sell high. So the market is coming back, is going to just buy. But let's take a look in this market. In this market, when the market is coming back, now let's look on this market. Market coming back, a person will say that the market has changed the overall direction. No, it has not changed. It's because your knowledge is still little. So as a trader, you have to increase on your trading knowledge as a trader. So that's the most important thing in trading. So every trader you admire online here has access to enough knowledge. So that's the difference. So advanced market structure, and this is an uptrend market. The way it occurs, so an uptrend market, how does it occur? We are going to see that maybe at this point, prices try to break. So these are internal ones. These are internal. These are internal structures in the market. Internal structures in the market. So what is now the big deal within this? What's now the big deal within this? So we are going to see that at this point we have our kind of order flow. So our order flow was around here, guys. So we could also see it around there. Okay, yeah. So that's our kind of order flow. Now we could see it. This is order flow zone. So the market had to come and tap in now. All right, guys. So we could see it now. So ask yourself, what is stopping you from becoming a profitable trader? Okay, there are a number of reasons why you are not profitable. The first reason I've told you that you only know beginner market structure. This is for everyone. Breakout structure, come back, retest, we enter, come back. So your mentor is not going to tell you this. For you only know that when the market comes back, maybe you have to enter long, then you are going to be hit. You are going to be liquidated in the market. You will be liquidated. You might have told you that if the market comes back, you just sell. Okay, you are going to be liquidated in the market. So that's why you are not making money like your mentor. So there are many reasons. So we as advanced trader, this is how we trade the market. Okay, guys. So we have to first see liquidity sweep everywhere. So we are seeing that at this point, a lot of things have been taken out through this trend line. We can see it now. Let's have a look on. So this was an uptrend, and if we try to invert our charts, we are going to see that we are going to see a downtrend. So just have a look. This is a downtrend market. So this is how a downtrend market looks like. So prices come like this. So this is now an advanced market structure. All right, and in this type of structure, many traders lose money. So we are going to find that only the 99% of traders, wow, get money. So 99% of traders lose money. So 99% traders so 99% traders lose money in trading. But why do they lose money? So have you ever asked your mentor that why are you really losing money in trading? You have bought all the courses of bought. No, the thing is you are still lacking some hidden information about trading, because trading is not what you see online, and that is the first thing you guys should understand. That's why most people call it a scam, because whatever they say online is not applicable in their trading world. So we are going to understand then why is these things happening like this. Okay, so that's the thing. So this is a downtrend market. As I've told you, that's a downtrend market. And an advanced market, this uptrend market looks like this. So uptrend looks like this. So for a downtrend also looks like this. So this is a downtrend market. All right, so we could see that maybe some point we could buy after here a bullish break at this point somewhere around here. Okay, this selling points. Okay, all right, guys. So the market has a lot of patience. So if you're not patient enough, you are going to keep losing in the market. So that's the most important thing. You end up losing all your money if you're not patient enough, and if you don't have the right knowledges and skills, you lose money. So this is the point. All right, so this is advanced structure. Now we have looked at two types. Now the uptrend and the downtrend. Then we have a consolidation market. So how does a consolidation market looks like? So even consolidation, we could see that consolidation markets, we are seeing prices come like this. So we are seeing equal highs, but we are seeing different kinds of market. So market is ranging. Maybe liquidity is being tapped, ranging. Okay, let's begin. Prices came, came like this, tapping down. So all right, now for you come in the market, then you say, oh, we are going to sell, you are being liquidated down, or we are going to buy. So just look at all these people up here. This guy was liquidated who was buying. So this only happens in a choppy market, choppy or consolidation. The market has no direction. So this is why you are still losing money in trading, because you have less information in trading. So to improve on your trading, just access our